Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this pic slideshow. Camera comparison, camera battle between the new kid on the block, the OnePlus 7 Pro, taking on the S10 Plus. The S10 Plus has been here for a while now. Yeah, this is the new kid on the block. How well will the OnePlus 7 Pro do up against the S10 Plus? Well, you're going to let me know down below in the comment section. You're going to watch the slideshow, and then I would ask that you leave some feedback. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know your opinions. I have mine, but I really want to know yours. In the camera settings on the OnePlus 7 Pro, you can go to Shot on OnePlus watermark. And it is there that each picture that I've taken with the OnePlus 7 Pro is going to have that watermark, Shot on OnePlus. And I actually have my name in there right below that verbiage there. It's right below there. It's very tiny, tiny letters there. And it says my Project 13. Okay, so with that being said, this is the format that you're going to see the pic slideshow in. And there's that watermark on the OnePlus 7 Pro pic. And over to my right, that's the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus picture. Side-by-side comparison. Again, you're going to let me know down below in the comment section what your thoughts are, your opinions when it comes to the OnePlus 7 Pro taking on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's begin the slideshow.